Hi class, I'm back again. This is the College Algebra MAC 1105. This class actually is almost the same as every other college algebra. As long as you can do this type of problem, these are regular questions that they ask in this kind of MAC in the test for chapter 2. So we're going to start by, we need to know the formula for the slope between 2 points. So if we have 2 points for this one, it asks you to find the slope for each line. And by the way, my name is Horace, for those of you who's actually watching this video for the first time. And this is a college algebra class. So if you here to find out how to find a slope between 2 points, and this is what we're covering. And then also how to find a slope using an equation. This is number 52 in the study guide. And 54, you guys will be able to keep track. And for the for this one, this is 2 points that you have. If you have 2 points, you can find the slope by using the slope between 2 point formula. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna label them. It doesn't matter what you we're gonna use this formula. We can label whichever one you pick first. If you pick this one first, that will be x1 and y1. If you pick this next, that will be x2 and y2. And then we can just go ahead and plug it in. So all we're gonna do is just that we're gonna say m, because we need to find the slope, m equals to y2. So y2 is 6, so I'm gonna put in 6 minus, it comes with a minus, and then I'm gonna look at my y1 and I'm gonna say minus 2, because y1 itself is minus 2, over, and I'll have x2 is 5, so I'll say 5 minus, because it comes with a minus, and then x1 is 5. So in this case, they both 5, and what we're gonna end up with, in the bottom we'll have 0, and on the top we'll have, it's going to be 8. So 8 divided by 0, we know we can't divide by 0, so therefore for this question, it will be undefined. The slope for this one, it will be undefined. So this will be undefined slope. That will be undefined slope. Okay? And that's what you will identify the slope as, undefined. Now for this one, we have 11x plus 2y equals to 3. So what we're going to do is that we need to know, by rearrange this for y, solve for y, it will put this equation in this format, and then we can pick out whatever number that comes in front of the x that will identify as our slope. So we're gonna solve for y here. So we're gonna say minus 11x and minus 11x. We'll cancel this out, and we'll have 2y equal minus 11x plus 3. Divide everything by 2, 2, 2, and then the y equals to negative 11 over 2x plus 3 half. And therefore, we can say our slope for this, it's going to be this value here. So we're going to say m equal negative 11 over 2. And that will be our slope for that equation. So we'll say negative 11 over 2. And for this one, the slope for this one is that the slope m equal undefined. Okay? And then you can just abbreviate it like this. That will be fine. And that cover for 52 and 51 in page 293, finding the slope between 2 points and finding the slope given an equation. This is how you go about doing it. Just solve for y using y equals mx plus b. I hope those two problems help you guys, and we're gonna come back for more with the additional problem.